there's no more OnePlus 11 Pro. It's gonna be called as OnePlus 11. According to the leaks, as I've said, OnePlus is gonna stop calling their latest flagship as the OnePlus 11 Pro. Instead, they're just gonna call it the OnePlus 11. Well, they just changed the name. Rest of the specs in terms of premium flagship features are just gonna be the same on the new OnePlus 11. Before we get started more on the specs, this phone has been confirmed to come up with latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is not only powerful but also very power efficient, especially when compared to the 8th generation 1 processor. So the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor delivers up to 35% high performance with 40% high power efficiency. Its new Adreno GPU delivers 25% higher performance with up to 45% of high power efficiency. And now, it also comes with hardware accelerated ray tracing. Now with this single feature, we can expect to see dramatic increase in visuals, mostly in games. So that's definitely something to expect. With that said, these are some latest leaks of renders where we can see the front look and the back look, especially the camera. And it also has been confirmed that this phone will be getting another slider. Now as for the rest of the specs, this phone will be coming with a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 2K resolution with up to 16GB of RAM. That's the latest leak. Yeah, it might get 16GB in the top end variant. And as for storage, it can go up to 512GB with UFS 4.4 storage. Well, we can ignore the RAM, but there's definitely a difference in the transfer speeds when it comes to the storage. As for cameras, it's gonna have a 50MP primary camera with Sony IMX890 sensor with a 48MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 32MP portrait camera. For selfies, we are gonna get a 32MP camera, and they are gonna be tuned by Hasselblad. Now when it comes to the battery department, it's gonna sport a 5000 mAh battery and probably comes with a 100 watts dart charger and also supports 50 watts wireless charging. So most of the specs have been confirmed, and finally it's probably gonna launch pretty soon, just in January 2023. So guys, that's all the latest news about the OnePlus 11. Stay tuned for more information.